Hi, I'm Emily Duncan. I'm a food writer and a home cook. I live in beautiful Queens, New York. I'm originally from Canada, and I have a YouTube channel called No Expert. So No Expert with Emily Duncan is a channel that started out as a place for me to learn how to make things, but really has become a place where I share some of my favorite home cook recipes, and also share recipes from some of my favorite chefs, bakers, and other home cooks that are something easy you can do at home, but totally delicious. So come on over and watch along while we cook some Moe salmon, why don't you? And today I'm gonna show you how I make a saffron butter salmon. This is an easy oven roasted salmon with a little panko crust topping, and it only takes a few minutes to come together. I'll show you how it's done. Our video today is sponsored by Moe Salmon. I'm going to be working with their beautiful pre-portioned pack of Atlantic salmon. So this comes with two 6-ounce pre-portioned pieces of salmon. Moe Salmon is delicious, fresh, never frozen salmon. I can get it near me at Target, Amazon Fresh, and lots of other retailers. And you can use the Moe website to find out where you can get it near you. And I love how fast it cooks. It makes a great weeknight dinner. So let's dig into that recipe, shall we? Thank you, Moe. So the first step to make my salmon is to marinate it. So here I have 1/3 cup of melted butter. I have this saffron tea which I've made. So I have just a pinch of saffron mixed with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which is enough to flavor this amount of salmon, which is 2 6-ounce fillets. And then mixed with water and then let to steep for a little bit, so I make sort of a saffron tea. So I have my butter, my saffron tea, I have the juice of 1/2 lemon, and then I have ground coriander, cumin, and just a little bit of garam masala. Just for a little bit of warming spices, something nice. We don't want it to overpower the saffron, we just want to sort of support the flavor. All right, so let's make this marinade. I'm just gonna whisk this as I go. Lemon juice. And then I have my spices. You're welcome to use a larger bowl. I didn't. And then I'm going to put this all into a handy dandy plastic bag. You can do this in a glass container if you want. I don't have one that's just the right size ready right now, so I am gonna use a plastic bag, easy enough. Just a kitchen storage bag. So I add my salmon in here. And then I just pour in my marinade. Seal her up. And I'm just gonna let this marinate for at least an hour and up to 12 hours. You don't wanna do it too much more than that because the lemon will start breaking down the salmon. But at least an hour, and you should get a nice saffron infusion into your salmon. So the saffron butter part of this recipe is inspired by something that I had at a friend's Feast of the 7 Fishes, actually, and then uses some techniques I learned from Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Samin Nosrat, which I absolutely recommend if you haven't read it yet. But this part is all my own. Who doesn't like a little panko bread coating on their salmon? So while my salmon marinates, I'm going to make my breadcrumb topping. So for this, I have softened butter, panko crumbs, and then I have some fresh chopped parsley, garlic powder, chili flakes. I'm using Aleppo flakes, which are mild and a little citrusy, but you can use chili flakes of your choice. And I'm going to put in some lemon zest. So let's get this topping together. This is easy. I'm using about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of butter and eyeballing the breadcrumbs. You basically just want it to be more breadcrumb than butter. And I'm gonna add some of my parsley, about a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, heavy pinch of my chili flakes. Yeah. And lemon zest. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt in here, just to sort of season everything. All right, and I'm just gonna take my fork and mash this. See, nice soft butter. You can soften it in the microwave a little if you don't have soft butter at the ready and you wanna get this going. That smells good. I mean, what's not to love about garlic, lemon, herbs, a little bit of chili flakes, bread and butter? It's got everything. And there we have it, breadcrumb topping, ready to go. All right, so my salmon is beautifully marinated and it's time to top it with my topping and get it baking. So let's pull this thing out of here. Just gonna shake off some of the excess, and I'm going to put this skin side down on parchment paper on a sheet pan. Look at that beautiful orange color, right? The last thing I need to do before baking is add my breadcrumb topping. So I'm just going to spread this all over the tops of my salmon. And this will help keep the salmon nice and moist. And this is just gonna crunch up and brown in the oven. There's nothing wrong with that. Now these salmon pieces are ready to bake. All right, the salmon is out of the oven and looking beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. Let's see how it turned out. Look at that beautiful flaking salmon. I'm gonna get a little more of that. Perfectly seasoned. You get the sort of floral notes of the saffron, plus the crunch, a little bit of lemon. It's a really tasty dinner. Just look at that beautiful, tender, break apart piece of fish. Moist and delicious, and so buttery. Just bright and tangy, but also like you get those earthy, sort of flowery notes. It's really beautiful. And that crunch, I love it. And what an easy way to cook it, right? Roasted in the oven with some breadcrumbs. You get all of the benefits of that marinade. It's really well seasoned. It feels moist and flaky and tender with very little effort. This is the kind of thing I make for weeknight dinners, and I would recommend you do it too. You can serve this with something like asparagus, a little bit of crusty bread or garlic bread maybe. Or you could do rice and like maybe a little cucumber salad. Lots of good ways to eat this. It is delicious. I highly recommend jumping in there. All right, and that is my recipe for a simple oven-roasted saffron butter salmon. Thanks so much for watching. Get yourself some beautiful moe salmon if you want to, and check me out on No Expert if you want to see more videos like this. Bye-bye!